Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information for Monday, January 25th. Monday will be the first day of the third marking period, meaning we are halfway done with the school year as of last Friday. There was also some news that came out last Friday about a potential returning back to hybrid instruction by our superintendent, Dr. Smith. The tentative date for that is Tuesday, February 16th. So we still have a couple of weeks where we are full virtual. We will focus on that. And then we will get more back into the hybrid information, details, and logistics as we get closer to that. So this week we're going to continue to focus on full virtual learning. Students will have an asynchronous workday for social studies, as you will have live class for science on Monday the 25th. For Monday the 25th for social studies, very simple assignment. I just opened up the week 1 folder for quarter 3. Additionally, I archived all of the quarter 2 folders, so this should clean up your Schoology page very much so. So when students click on the Q3 week 1 folder, they will go into Monday's folder, which is the orange folder for the 25th. And we are starting the China unit. So this will all be new information. I'm just starting the China unit. What I want students to do first is to watch the video, The Influence of Geography on China. So students will open that up through the textbook. Open in a new tab. Remember, we're clicking on the blue YouTube looking icon, and that will pop up the video.
In the ancient world, most early civilizations grew up along rivers. Remember Egypt in the Nile Valley and India along the Indus, or the Sumerian cities between the Tigris and Euphrates?
So the video will go into great detail, great length about some of the physical features of China. So as we look at that, I'll pause it on the map here. There are many physical features that the video is going to talk about. Plateau of Tibet, Himalayan mountains, deserts, North China Plain, some of the rivers. So students can select one of those to talk about for their discussion posts. So as we go back into Schoology and go to Monday's folder, the discussion question is the following. It says, after watching the video, answer the discussion question below. Select one of the geographic features of China, and students have those options: Gobi, Himalayas, Plateau Tibet, Huang River, Shang River, North China Plain. It says, describe one positive effect and one negative effect that your selected geographic feature has on the people living in China. Make sure your answer is at least 2 complete sentences. So students might need to go back and rewatch the video maybe one more time after they select their geographic feature, and students can always reference the video as they're going to type up their posts. So students will do that on Monday. We will start our live class Tuesday going over the video and going over the discussion questions. So if you have any questions as you're working on this on Monday, feel free to let me know. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your Sunday evening, and I will talk to everybody live on Tuesday. Bye, everybody.